guys, Brad here. Dad's Dirt. You saw yesterday we got the car washed. We already got the antifreeze drained out of it. Getting ready to put our other motor in for Boyd's this Friday night. I've already got it on jack stands, got the wheels and tires off of it. I'm gonna set you guys up here and probably put you back on time warp again while I get the this motor ready to be pulled out. If the weather looks good for this weekend, I think it's supposed to be a little chilly, but as far as the actual weather itself, looks like we should be able to race. Not sure what our plans are for Saturday. I wouldn't mind going to like Sanoa or somewhere like that Saturday if we have a good night Friday night. I'm not sure. We'll just have to play it by ear and see how cold it is, and of course see how Maggie is by the weekend. She actually got a shot this morning. She has a ear infection and just some sinus crud, so her and Dallas is at home right now. She's taking a nap, trying to sleep it off, but she ended up having to get a shot today, so hopefully she's better by the weekend and she can go with us both nights, or at least Friday night if we don't race both nights. But that's what we're looking at right now. Like I said, we did have a little issue the other night with the carburetor. When I'd get past about half throttle, the throttle would hang, so I got to work on that. And now's a perfect time to work on it when it's not attached to a motor, and I can sit there and play with it and not flood the engine down or whatever, and I can get that linkage set exactly how I want to before we bolt it onto the other motor. So that's what we're going to be working on tonight. I'm going to put you on time lapse and see what I can get done. I don't know if last week we done this and we done it all in one night. We had this motor, the other motor pulled out, this motor setting back in ready to go in one night. I doubt I get that much done tonight. I'm just going to kind of slowly pick at it. It'll have to be done Thursday night for sure, and we'll probably leave out fairly early Friday morning, probably around, well, I don't know what time they start. I know they're an hour ahead of us, and it takes us right at an hour and a half to get there, but I don't want to get stuck in 5 o'clock traffic around Mott's and Bend. Hey, speaking of that, somebody's commented on here before and told me that they needed to get with me to show me a better way to Boyd's to avoid all that traffic coming around the river bend. So if that was you, make sure you comment down below or send us an email or get in touch with us and let us know what you was talking about. I can't remember who it was that commented it, but I remember reading that comment before. So we may need some advice this coming up weekend. But anyways, I'm gonna put you on time lapse. I'm gonna get in here and get started. there you see, that was about a new record right there. It took us about an hour to get that one out. That one there will be going back in. We ordered a new thermostat housing here for that motor, so we're not taking them on and off, putting any stress on the aluminum threads for the intake. We're gonna get some more studs here for the carburetor. As you can see right here, all we got is bolts, so that's putting stress on the threads. So we're gonna swap them, or we're gonna leave these in this and just get some new studs for that. We're gonna see about getting another fuel pump. That way we don't have to take the fuel pumps off. And so that'll pretty much wrap us up for today. I'm gonna kind of clean some stuff up. It got a little oily and all, so I'm gonna try to clean it up and pretty much call it a day. So I'm gonna cut this video off. This video will be a couple days, and the next video, or in this video, the next thing you're gonna see is us putting the other motor back in. Probably Wednesday, more than likely. I doubt I'll do anything tomorrow. I think it's supposed to be fairly bad storms tomorrow, so we won't plan on working on it tomorrow. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. I've had a couple of people ask what that actually means. Subscribing doesn't cost you anything. All you do when you subscribe is you're just showing your support for our channel. If you subscribe and ring the bell, you'll be notified anytime we post new videos, or anytime we're out at the shop or whatever. You'll automatically be notified when that video goes up. It doesn't cost you anything, it just notifies you. So and the more views we get, all that does is help us out, and it don't cost you guys anything, like I said. So I had somebody ask me that, so I thought I'd clear that up. Sorry, you know, I had a comment too that somebody said that they couldn't take our southern accent. It was burning their ears. So I'm gonna go home and try to learn my grammar and try to talk properly. That way you guys can understand me a little better. And nah, I'm just kidding. I don't care less about talking right. That was one of my worst subjects in school, was English, and I'm pretty sure you guys could probably already guess that. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys out here one day this week.